Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a highly functional and stylish piece of makeup storage that could make a game-changing addition to your beauty routine. Meet the SHANY Rebel Series Pro Makeup Artist Rolling Train Case in the gorgeous Provocative Rose shade. This trolley case is designed with professionals in mind, offering an all-in-one solution for storing your makeup and beauty tools. Standing at 30 inches, it's built with a solid ABS and aluminum frame, which ensures durability while keeping the case lightweight enough for travel. Let's go over the essentials so we can get into the real-world testing. The SHANY Pro Makeup Artist's Rolling Train Case features a detachable top and bottom, giving you the freedom to customize its compartments depending on your needs. It comes with large drawers, perfect for storing palettes or other bulkier items, and smaller spaces to keep your brushes, lipsticks, or skincare organized. You also get brush holders that make it easy to store your tools in a way that keeps them clean and ready for use. The case is equipped with smooth locks, which are easy to use yet secure enough to keep everything in place during travel. Plus, SHANY includes a set of mesh cosmetic organizer bags to help you sort smaller items. These add extra value, making sure everything is neatly stored and easy to find when you need it. When I started using the SHANY Rolling Train Case, I couldn't help but notice how sleek and professional it looks. The provocative rose color is elegant, and the polished design makes it look as good as it performs. I'm all about practicality, but I also love it when a product has a little personality, and this case hits the mark. On the usability front, it was pretty simple to incorporate into my beauty routine. The adjustable partitions are a huge plus. They make it so easy to fit everything I need, whether I'm organizing makeup for a shoot or just keeping my products tidy at home. The drawers glide smoothly and the lock stays secure. During travel, the wheels rolled without any issues, so I wasn't struggling to lug it around. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the case is durable and solid, it's a bit bulky if you don't have a lot of space. If you're someone who travels light or prefers compact options, this could feel a bit overwhelming. Also, the larger compartments are ideal for bulkier products, but if you have a lot of small items like individual eyeshadows, the smaller sections can get a bit crowded. It's not a deal breaker, but something to consider if your beauty arsenal is on the smaller side. Pros: solid, durable construction with ABS and aluminum. Customizable interior with removable and adjustable partitions. Smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility. Secure locks keep products in place during travel. Free mesh organizer bags add extra value. Cons: the case is bulky and may not be ideal for those with limited space. The smaller compartments can feel tight if you have many small items. Now, is it worth the price? For professionals, or anyone who has a significant collection of beauty tools, this is definitely a smart investment. The build quality and design alone justify the price. You're getting something durable, functional, and stylish. For those with a tighter budget or smaller collections, there are other options on the market that might provide similar organization, but at a lower price point. As far as alternatives go, there are other rolling cases like the Samsonite Professional or ProCase Professional Makeup Trolley, but none quite hit the same balance between design and customization that SHANY offers. The added mesh bags are a nice touch that some other brands might lack. In terms of build quality, the SHANY Rolling Train Case feels sturdy and well-made. It's not flimsy, and the materials used will definitely hold up over time. The smooth, easy-to-use locks and wheels make it a great option for professionals who need reliability and ease of use. So, should you buy it? If you need a high-quality professional makeup case that allows you to stay organized while looking stylish, I would definitely recommend this one. It's especially ideal for those who frequently travel or work on sets and need to keep their makeup safe and accessible. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.